part 8 of the 8-part Mastering LabStar Case Entry video series. In this video, we will discuss tips and tricks to master special features that can make case entry both faster and easier. We'll start off by showing you how to enter a case from any page. So you can see here, I'm on the billing page. If you hover your mouse over case flow, create new case, case entry, you can create a case really from anywhere within LabStar. Next, we will be discussing tabbing and the case entry assistant. These blue arrows show you what you need to fill out next during case entry. Once you have filled out what's required in that section, it will move on. You can tab through these fields at case entry using your keyboard only. For example, after putting my PAN number in, I can tab over to instructions, and I can even tab over to the enclosed section and use enter to open this up as well. I can use the up and down arrows, tab through these different fields here, and once I'm done, I can hit enter to save it. You can tab over to your product type, type in crown, select your tooth number with your keyboard, as well as type in your item name. Patient appointment time is an optional field that you or your client can fill out at case entry. This shows up in your case record, your calendar, your work ticket, and your invoice if you wanted to. You can select the date. You can also select the time that the patient is coming in for. To remove it, you can click the X, or you can add it from the reschedule modal as well. So you can click in here, click the date, and adjust. Customizable user-defined icons allow you to pick preset images to display at case entry. So you can see here, this is an arch icon, this is a whole mouth icon, and this is even an aligner icon. Linking cases can be done at case entry if LabStar finds any exact matches for that patient and the client. You can see here, you can click View/Link Patient Cases. Within this pop-up, you can select these cases, these are the exact matches, or you can search by other patient names or by case reference number as well. You can unlink cases directly from the case record by clicking the little linked icon on the top and clicking the little X to remove it. Add multiple additional features at case entry by clicking the gear next to the specific item. You can add multiple additional features regardless if it is a removable, an implant, a bridge, really any item in your product catalog you can add multiple additional features to. Finally, customizable dismissable banners can remind you of anything important regarding the specific client during case entry. These banners can be customized by going into the settings tab of the client profile. All you have to do is click to dismiss before you can click create. This concludes the final video of the Mastering LabStar Case Entry video series. Links to related articles can be found in the LabStar Help Center. We encourage you to view all 8 videos to understand how to seamlessly integrate LabStar with your lab.